So guys, here is another fantastic airdrop that is bridging the gap between having to save your face key of a wallet and having to copy a particular token wallet address to send token or to bridge from one chain to another. This is Contos airdrop, Contos project, a Contos wallet rather, and they are currently airdropping they are currently on the testnet. You know what that means, giving out their free tokens to farmers, and you know what that means. Of course, you're going to be earning some cool cash from here as well. So here in this Contos is a very fantastic project considering their utility. No need for face key. You don't have to save your face key or private key. You just need an email and a username to do to create a wallet, and you can as well bridge from one particular chain to another without having to go through all this process of using different links. Everything can be done here on Contos. So now let's proceed on how to do the testnet and how to position for the airdrop. So the first thing is the first thing is to create a new wallet. So I'll drop the links that I'll be using in this video. I'll be dropping everything here in this video or on the pin post in the comment section, or check the description box for the links. So the first link is to create a wallet. This is the first. You click on this create new wallet. Then I'm gonna be using continue with Google. Then it's gonna pop up my Google account. Then I'll continue. Because I already have a wallet, I'm not gonna proceed to the Google creation. So once it's pop up with your Google account, which is the seamless way to have a wallet on this Contos wallet. So the moment it pop up, input out the referral code. It will ask for a referral code. Enter the referral code for additional benefits. So I will enter the referral code, which is my username Eniolami. So I will enter it. You are going to enter it in your registration process so you can have additional benefits. Now we go to the next page, which is joining their Discord. Discord is where you are going to be able to bridge, trade, and do their Galxe tax. So these are the tax you're going to be doing. This is the Galxe tax. It's just a very simple tax here. You see, just 4. And we have the the wallet. This is what the wallet looks like. Then we have the bridging as well. So now let's go to the what's it called, the Discord. I'll drop the Discord link to this post, to this video. I'm gonna drop the Discord link to this video. So when you click you open the Discord link, make sure you verify so that you can see all of these other channel. So now you go to the command, the bot command here. You come here. This is the page. This is the interface already. So I'll just enter. The first thing is you click on recover. The moment you create your account, after you're done creating your account, you've entered the referral code. Then next one is come to this Discord server here. I'll drop the Discord server link to the description box. Then you create you come to the bot command, click on is recover. As you must have registered to come back to this recover. Then I'll click on enter. You'll be able to do this also on your Kiwi or Mrs. browser. This is the recover. It will tell me, okay, wallet, telling me to go to my wallet, maybe to see my wallet. This is it. I'll enter my username and it will pop up my wallet for me. My username is also my referral code. So this is, everyone has a unique wallet. Just with the username, you can send, I can receive any token with this username on this Contos, this Eniolami.os. I can receive any token at all with this username. So now I'll come back to this. I've seen my wallet now. Then the next thing is to click to do the bridging. Then I'll click on bridge. I've entered the bridge command there. So you click on it, then go to the site. So to bridge, you need to have any of these tokens, either BNB or AHB, Arbitrum 1 or USDT, anyone, at least $1. This thing is very cheap to run, and it's gonna be worth a whole lot, considering that utility. So you need just $1 at least to do the bridging. $1 at least to do the bridging, either on BNB chain or what's it called? These are the chain you can use, or Polygon Matic or Ethereum or Optimism or Phantom or Base, whichever. So I'm using BNB. And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any potential updates that I'll be posting on my subsequent update that I'll be posting on this channel. And there are a lot of amazing airdrop here. So we'll be sharing them back to back. Make sure you're positioned to my channel and make sure you're active so that you don't miss out on anything at all. So this is it. I'm gonna select, I'm using BNB, so I chose BNB. I've deposited BNB to my MetaMask wallet. So if you are just registering, after you've opened this bridge page, you see here, you see connect wallet. It's asking you to connect your MetaMask wallet. Once you click on this, it will connect to your MetaMask wallet. Connect either Trust Wallet or MetaMask, but I'm using MetaMask. So connect to your MetaMask wallet, so you'll be able to automatically see your assets to bridge to Contos here. This up page here, connect your MetaMask wallet before you start the bridging process. And make sure you have either AHB or BNB to bridge. Those network are cheap. So I'll just select how much I want to bridge. I'll just click on 0. How much is $1 safe? I don't want to grow. So this is my current balance on the BNB chain. Then if I'll bridge from BNB Binance chain to BNB Contos network blockchain. So this is it. Then I'll click on deposits. I will sign in the transaction on my MetaMask wallet. Guys, are you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Don't miss out. You don't want to keep missing out on potential updates like this. So stay positioned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can as well join my Telegram channel. I'll add the link to the Telegram channel on this description box as well, so that you don't miss out at all. You see, deposit successful. I have deposited from BNB Binance chain to BNB Contos chain. So now the next thing is, if I want to see my what's it called now? If I refresh this wallet, I'll be able to see my let me even cancel it. I'll be able to, let me go back to the Discord. I'll be able to see my balance here. So now let's go to the next activity, which is the trade. So I'm going to click on trade and open the command. It's a trade. So this is what we have here. This is what the trade looks like. If I'm having USDT to trade, I can anything at all. Either I want to buy or I want to sell. But because I've wished to BNB, I'll just be selling to USDT. Let me click use the sell. So this is my current value here. How much is this? Okay, this is the current value that I am having here. I think I need to top up this to make it, it's too low. So the minute I click on confirm, I'll do that after the video. The minute I click on confirm, then I can sell back my my BNB to USDT. Everything happening on this Contos here. I can sell back my KBNB to USDT. This is it. Even though I'm still going to do another transaction to make sure this is above $1, I won't stop at this. So I'll just click on confirm, and this is what we have here. Spot trading, you see Contos USDT plus receiving assets USDT. Then I'll click on confirm. Then I will enter my PIN. In the process of creating a wallet, you must have create a PIN. What you need is your email address, and you set a PIN. You see transaction successful. Transaction successful. Now I have what's it called? I have this USDT now. Now I can still go back to my wallet to see what I'm having on my wallet. Let me go back to the wallet and see what we're having. And guys, you can show some support to this channel by sending a super thanks, guys. Send a super thanks to this channel. Click on the super thanks below this thanks button below this video, beside the share button. And don't forget to share this video. Let's reach more people that will be needing this opportunity. So you see what I'm having here, 18 cents of USDT, because I've reached from BNB to USDT, and this is what I'm having. So this USDT is currently on Contos network. You see USDT Contos. So I can still bridge from this USDT Contos to another chain. Let's give it a try. I don't know, let's see if it is there. Okay, let me use the withdrawal. Oh, this is TESTNET. We have not started withdrawing. I'm sorry. This is TESTNET, so I can't withdraw yet. So I think the option will be available on their mainnet. That's the essence of this this blockchain, actually, this Contos. That's the essence. We are still in TESTNET actually, so we are not going to be able to do much. So guys, this is how to go about the Contos TESTNET. And the next tax is the Galxe tax, which you have to do the weekly retreats. This is a weekly tax. Take notes. So you should always save this Galxe tax, the Galxe link, so that you can check every week and you can do the retreats. If you click on it now, I'll be able to retweet their post and get the reward. Okay, let me follow. Where's their retreat? Let me go back. So I'll click on these details. So guys, show some love, show some support, share my videos. Share my videos, send a super thanks. Click on the thanks button below this video, beside the share button. Show some support to this channel. It will be very much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying behind. So this is the post I'm gonna retweet. Let's see. It's a weekly activities. So let's see if I've gotten this. So now I've retweeted, reposted their tweets. The next one is also to repost, and the next one is okay, visit. Let me visit. You see how I'm doing all of the tax, and I'm going to claim the for those that are not familiar with this Galxe tax, this is how to do the tax. This is a comprehensive video about this Contos airdrop. So stay positioned immediately you are seeing this video. It's just costly. Yes, you can use $2 to run this update and you'll be fine. So they are telling me to visit this chai. Okay, I'm just going to use like 30 seconds on this page, and that's it. So this is how to do the Contos TESTNET airdrop, and you just need only $2 or $1 something, and you are good. So you guys, you can position on this airdrop. Take position. This is going to be massive. Take position. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and also you hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel as well, and see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.